Hello guys, I am back today with another makeup tutorial for you. First, I'm going to be applying some concealer on my eyelids just to prime them. Just going to be rubbing that in with my And then after this, I'm going to be going in and I'm going to be taking that olive green gold shade. I'm just going to be applying this on my lids. I'm just going to be applying a few layers just to get to that gold sheen that I am looking for. And then I'm adding this brown shade in my crease. I forgot to show it in front of the camera, but all the products will be listed in the description box below. I'm just applying that brown shade in my crease and I'm just blending that in. And then I'm using makeup remover just to give a nice defined line on the eyes. I'm taking my black liner. I'm just going to be applying this to my waterline on my upper lid. Taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just going to be applying this to my lashes like so. Then I'm going to go into my lower lash line and be applying that light brown shade and dark brown shade, and then I'm going to be blending that in with my finger. And I'm using the shades that I used in the very beginning of my crease. I'm just going to be applying that olive gold tone shade on my inner lids and my inner corners on my lower lash line. And I'm going to be applying some of the black gel liner on my lower waterline. I'm just going to be blending this all in on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking this brown gloss. It's like a light brown gloss. I'm just going to be applying this to my lips. It's a really pretty shade. It's like a light brown nude. And I'll be going in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay palette and just applying this cream color on my brow bone, pardon me. And I'm just going to be going in with my mascara and applying these to my bottom lashes. And I'm going to just be bronzing my face, my cheekbones. I'm going to go in on my jawline, which I will show in a second. My husband had just come home, so that's why I had turned around. And then I'm just gonna go in my forehead, just give it a nice like bronze look. I'm just gonna go in and apply this fuchsia blush shade. I feel like having a more fuchsia colored shade for blush today, so that's what I'm using. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and hit the small bell icon by the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload videos. Bye, guys.